In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage Google Workspace users. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what details to enter so your new team member can start using their account right away. Start by signing in with an administrator account for your organization. In the top right corner of your Google page, open the Google Apps menu, the grid of small squares often called the App Launcher. From there, select Admin to open the Google Admin console. If you don't see Admin, you're likely not signed in with an admin role or you're in the wrong account, so switch to the correct profile first. Inside the Admin console homepage, look for the option labeled Add a User. This is your quick path to creating a single account without dealing with spreadsheets or bulk imports. Click it to open the user creation form. You'll be asked for a few essentials. Enter the person's first name, then enter their last name. Keep your organization's naming conventions in mind so everything stays consistent across your directory and email addresses. Next, add the primary email address. This becomes the username they'll use to sign in and the address others will email, so double check the spelling and make sure it's attached to the correct domain if your organization manages more than one. Once those fields look good, click Continue. At this point, Google will guide you through finalizing the account. You'll typically review the details and complete the setup so you can securely share sign-in information with the user. Share credentials through a trusted channel and encourage the user to change their password on first sign in. That's the complete flow for adding a user. From here, manage simply means keeping that user's account healthy and up to date within the admin console. You can return to the user section anytime to find the person you just added and view their profile. This is where you'll handle common tasks like updating their name if it changes, placing them in the right organizational unit to inherit the correct settings, or assigning licenses so they can access the apps they need. It's also where you'd take care of essentials like resetting a password or suspending an account when someone leaves. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Follow a clear email naming standard, verify you have available licenses for new seats, and encourage multi-factor authentication for added security. With those best practices in mind, you'll keep your directory clean, secure, and easy to manage. And that's it, adding and managing Google Workspace users made simple.